We've just had a couple of nights in Stirling. You can park up at the old bus station. It's free at the weekends. I think you're £6 for 24 hours through the week. You can stay up to a maximum of 7 days in the trot. But it's perfect for just walking into the city. Over there, where we wander round about, that's where Carol went to university. And then she's sitting there saying, oh, I don't recognise this place. And then we worked it out, it was 40 years since she was at university. So we're on our way to Edinburgh, Cramond Park or something. But we just thought we'd stop off at the Falkirk Wheel. There you go. It turns out you can actually park here as well overnight. I think it's £18, but there's water and buckets, etc. Here's the wheel turning. Taking the barge at the top down to the bottom. Now we were on this once years ago and it had actually started rotating round and we never even felt a thing. I'm probably wrong, but I seem to remember it saying it took less energy than turning on a light bulb to turn the wheel.
We're about to fill up with water. One of the other things I'd like to say about the Falkirk Wheel is if you are parked up here, we just had breakfast but we went through the wee cafe place and I did have a wee swatch at the food that they were serving and it was bloody lovely. Macaroni cheese in the little individual enamel ashets all bubbling away and crispy. I could smell the garlic bread that you got with it. So fine place to come. You'll see some really interesting sights with the Falkirk Wheel and you'll have a really good cheap park up with something fine to eat. BRB. Okay, next stop is the Kelpies. A Kelpie is a Scottish shape-shifting water spirit. You can see them in the background there. We have just been mugged off. £10 for parking. We weren't expecting that. I don't think you were charged for parking the last time we came here many years ago. So the Falkirk Wheel was £4 for parking. This is £10, which they tried to kind of make it seem like a bit of a deal by saying you also get a sticker. So woohoo, we got a sticker, dearest sticker I've ever bought. And I didn't swear.
Bit of a Mandela effect earlier on. We thought the Falkirk Wheel and the Kelpies were side by side. They're a fair distance apart. £10 for parking is pretty expensive though. It's a bit of a rip-off. These lock gates are some size. But the stink is horrendous.